Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC and router. Make sure the wireless adapter is enabled, drivers are installed, and the router is powered with SSID broadcasting. Once done, look to the system tray at the bottom right and click the network icon. This opens the list of available networks. You do this because Windows 7 needs an active adapter and a visible SSID to connect. Now scan the list and identify your network name so you can select it for the next step. Once you select your SSID from the network list, Windows shows the security type and prompts for the network key. You must choose the appropriate security, WPA2, when available, because it impacts compatibility and encryption. Enter the password carefully. Capitalization, symbols, and spacing matter. Make sure to tick Connect automatically if you want the laptop to join on future starts. After entering the key, click Connect and Windows will attempt to authenticate. If it times out, double-check the passphrase. To finish, verify Windows shows connected and then test internet access by opening a browser or pinging 88888. This confirms IP and DNS are working. If you lack connectivity, restart the router first and then reboot your PC because many issues clear with a reset. If problems persist, run Windows Network Diagnostics to get specific error messages and make sure the adapter has a valid IP address under IP4. A key troubleshooting tip. If authentication fails repeatedly, re-enter the password and confirm router MAC filtering is off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.